Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to remove header in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser here, and then you need to type here Google Docs, and then click on this first link here, and then click on this go to docs option, and then basically you have to click on this blank option here. And once you are done, if you double click on the top of this page here, you can see that we have this here. So how we can basically remove it from the page? You will click on this format options and go to this headers and footers option, and here you can see this option where it says remove header. Just click on this one, and now we have removed our header from this page. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.